Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to verify Bitcoin on Cash App and send it to your wallet. Alright, let's begin. First, open Cash App and go to the Money tab at the bottom left corner of the screen. Select Buy Bitcoin, then scroll down to find Deposit Bitcoin and Buy Bitcoin options. Before proceeding, Cash App requires you to verify your identity for security and compliance reasons. To complete verification, enter your phone number, legal name as it appears on official documents, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. Once submitted, Cash App will process your request. After verification, you can buy, deposit, and withdraw Bitcoin. You will receive a notification when the verification is complete. So that's basically how you can verify Bitcoin on Cash App and send it to your wallet. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.